Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2010 Chevy Suburban, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your inside door handle on the driver's side door. In order to do so, we will need to remove door panel, and then we will remove the handle, so stay tuned. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we have to remove this cover behind the handle. Okay, I'm using a hook like this, so we pull on the handle and get the cover out. So just throw the cover on the floor for now. Next thing is we will need to use the same hook and remove this cover here on the bottom under the handle. So here it goes. All right. Next step, grab a 10mm socket and remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next step, we'll have to take the hook and pry this, only the top. You need to get only the top off. Actually no, after the top there's another clip here, we need to get them both off. After you have both clips out, you can leave it on the bottom clip because the bottom clip is connected to the panel, so it's fine. Next step, we'll just have to unplug all the clips holding the panel down, and then we'll just put the door back on. Then we're gonna just slide the panel off. So let's start taking the panel off. Okay. Comes off easy because it had been taken off before. Okay, yours might come off harder. Okay, so before pulling off the door, you need to take the same hook. Hope you guys can see me over there. Okay, so now take the hook, and on the button there's a clip. You can remove this clip right now. So raise the button and remove the clip. Once you remove it, you can get your button off. Okay, now let's slide the panel off. Okay, put the panel off. Now here, so we have to squeeze. Okay guys, you can see now. We have to squeeze these 2 sides of the clip. I'll try to do this. It's crazy impossible to film it and do this. So I'm still gonna try to film it and show it. Okay, we got this thing off. Next thing, we need to disconnect connectors. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And now we're ready to take the panel off. I'm gonna put it here for now. Alright. So that's how we took it off. And somebody was here before. Okay, now we have the panel off. Okay, now to get off the door handle, we need to take a 7mm socket and remove these 2 screws. This one and this one. So do that now. Okay, so now after you got out both screws, the only thing how the handle is holding right now on the panel is this clip, this and this one. Okay, so all you have to do is just, well, using two hands you can just get it out. I'm gonna show you. Put you guys here. That's it. Here's the handle. Okay. In my case, the handle is fine, but in your case, if you need to remove one, just go to eBay or whatever parts store you feel comfortable with, or dealer. You can buy the same thing. On eBay, this thing should cost maybe $20, even less, and you just buy a replacement part. Once you have the new one, the same thing, same way you put it back in. Slide it from the back. Make sure you click all three pins, this, and this. Okay, after that, put in the screws. That's it. Once you have the screws in, only things left is to put the panel back on. Okay guys, let's put the panel back on. Grab the panel, and first thing you want to do is you want to connect connectors. Okay, so we have connected the connectors. Next thing is the handle, the tricky part. Here comes the tricky part. What are you gonna do? You're gonna put the ball inside in the handle, pull on it, and slide it in. That's it. Now if we're gonna pull on the handle, this is what happens. Right? Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we will raise the door up. Okay, let me put you guys here. Alright, now what I want to do, I'm gonna raise it enough so I could get my button, this link out. What's up? Something's in the way. Okay. Alright. Okay, now we have to make sure we have the panel aligned. So, why is it? I think it accidentally clicked in. Yeah, it accidentally clicked in. So first, this is the first thing. Then we click the door. Good. All set. Next thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna still open this thing. Open the button carefully, and then close it here and close it. Simple. Next step. we take our both screws and put them inside here. Okay, after we have 2 screws there, we're gonna put 1 screw in here. Awesome. What's left is we need to take the cover, put the cover back in handle. And the cover in here. Okay, looks like the bottom goes down first, then the top, right? So guys, we're all set. Everything works, everything's perfect. Okay, so this is how you take off the panel. If this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.